Solve using quadratic formula. The equation is x squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. So in a quadratic equation, to solve it, we can use a quadratic formula, which is negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So the a here is the coefficient of the x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. So in the equation, when you look at it, a is equal to 1 because the coefficient of x squared is 1. B is equal to 5 because the coefficient of x is 5, and the constant term that's in the equation is 6. So we're going to use the formula and we'll plug it in the values. So negative b will be negative 5 plus minus 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 6 divided by 2 times 1. So when you plug it in, we got to be very careful about the signs. So b is positive, so you're going to put negative b, so negative 5. It's because it's positive 5, so when you do negative of that, that's going to be negative 5. Plus minus, then you square the 5, which is 5 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 1, and then c, which is 6. And the denominator is over 2a, right? So 2 times 1, which is what we put in the denominator. So now we're going to simplify this. So first of all, we're going to do the 5 squared, which is 25. Then we have to do 4 times 6, and then we divide it by the 2 times 1, which is 2. So this is going to turn into negative 5 plus minus 25 minus 4 is 1, right? And then you're going to, the square root of 1 is 1, right? So now x is equal to negative 5 plus minus square root of 1, which became 1. Now we're going to separate them. We're going to do, that's equal to negative 5 plus 1 divided by 2. And the other one would be negative 5 minus 1 divided by 2. So negative 5 plus 1 will give you negative 4. And then you divide it by 2, which will turn, and then the other one is negative 6 divided by 2, which will in turn gives you negative 2 on the first one and then negative 3 on the second one. So this equation has two solutions, negative 2 and negative 3. So two real solutions, negative 2 and negative 3. Okay, so we're going to write that down. X equal to negative 2 and x equal to negative 3. And that's it. All right.